Watching JT the Ag Guy. Today we're harvesting some more wheat. We're currently filling up some tractors right now. Alright, so we got everyone else going. Gotta get this truck off to go to Craigmont this morning and then come back here and keep getting loads. Alright, here we go. Different angle this time for you guys. Truck is ready to rock and roll. Insane how big this pile has gotten over the last couple of days. I won't be surprised if they have today's Thursday. I won't be surprised if they have this thing completely filled by Tuesday. Like, that's the rate this is going. It's kind of insane. Alrighty, got the load dumped, heading back to the field now, and I'll give you guys an update later or when I get there, or I don't freaking know. We'll find out as the day goes. They'll just get filled in when I get filled in. Yeah. Back at the elevator again, getting loaded or unloaded, and once we get this done, we're moving to a new field. So, yeah. Had a little bit of brake trouble with this truck. The front left brake, it was, yeah, locked up coming down to this field. But it was funny because I was following one of our pickup trucks and I thought one of their brakes had locked up because I only started smelling when I was behind them. But
just go down kind of by.
That was my truck. A little bit of an energy though, so delectable. I can't change my opinion. Mountain Dew's the best freaking pop out there, and it is called pop. It's not soda, it's freaking pop, okay? You people down south call it Coke, or I don't even know. It's pop. But Mountain Dew, the best pop. That's good. Excuse me. So the wheat we're harvesting today is this stuff. So I don't remember what it's called. Again, it's the first time I've ever been around wheat this last 2 weeks. But essentially this is going to be, this is a different, what we were harvesting earlier today. So earlier today we were harvesting soft white. This is, I want to call it red wheat or something like that, but I mean, that may not be correct. Someone correct me in the comments. But basically soft wheat's like super soft. This stuff's a little bit hard. little bit harder. And essentially, it's used for different milling processes. Essentially, is what it comes down to. Different products are going to come out of your soft white, and different products are going to come out of this stuff. What those products are, I don't know. I'll ask my boss later so I can tell you guys. But there you go. That's the gist of it. The FFA flag up because, you know, why not? We're going to school for agriculture education, and might as well fly it, you know, kind of neat, kind of cool. On the load, we're going to head out and we're going to get this taken somewhere. Yeah, we're taking it somewhere. It's going somewhere. I don't know where. It's going somewhere, though. Thunder Creek over here, and the truck was getting a bit warm, and I'm not sure, I kind of explained this before, I think, but not sure if it just was me shifting wrong and just was overworking the engine, or if it was the radiator is clogged up a bit, because I did not really get the best chance to blow out this morning. So we're gonna get this going and blow up the radiator again. Hey guys, Editing JT here. Realized real quick that I never explained exactly what happened. Also, it's a different day, and I just had to walk up a big hill. Wow, that was a workout. Probably also doesn't help them a little fat too. You know. Anyways, basically, what I think it was is just two things. I think A, the radiator didn't need blown out, because after I ran it, the next time after I blew out the radiator, no problems whatsoever. Also, I realized looking back, I took the incorrect route that first time. I didn't realize that was the one I filmed. Nothing wrong with it. There's just a lot more hills, which means the truck's doing a lot more work, and a lot of those hills are kind of curvy, so it means you can't just be going a little bit quicker to get up the hill. You have to just throw in a lower gear and get out of it. So, but no, yeah, there you go. I made a mistake the other day when I told you guys the humidity out here. It's more closer to 10 to 20% than 40 to 50%, which is insane. You know, when we got here the first day, I think it was like 89, 90 degrees. It was going to be hot. And I remember sitting, you know, this is the day after we got here, and we got here pretty early in the morning. We pretty much drove all night. We just sat in the car and slept for 3 hours. And we got here in the morning, and then we, you know, they took us around the property. They showed us all around, and then they, you know, took us to where we were going to be staying. Went to bed. Next morning, woke up. It's about 11 o'clock or something like that. It was 90-some degrees, 89 degrees. It was hot out. It was going to be hot. And I remember sitting in bed, looking at the temp like, oh my God, today's going to just suck. It's going to be hot out and terrible. When I walk outside, and it's beautiful. It's like, it's amazing how much humidity makes the heat worse. Like, seriously, I could deal with this heat. This is fine. The humidity, though, it's insane how much that affects it. I don't know, it's just interesting. it's insane to me how hilly it is out here and just how pretty it is. Like, I thought harvest in Iowa was pretty. And, damn, Idaho, you're giving Iowa a run for its money. Like, seriously, this is beautiful. Looks like we have another load coming. Very nice. All right, got our tarps. Of course, got to have the FFA flag flying, because why not? And yeah, we're going to get going. Got another load. And we're gonna take off. Loading. Step on down here so you can see. Whew. Look at all that weight. Going up the elevator. Going up that way. There you go. Well, guys, God, look at this. This is beautiful. Fortunately, the smoke covers most of the mountains around us, but you still can kind of get the outline of it. That's, I think, another load for tonight. I don't know how late we're going, but I'm going to cut the video off here. You guys have a wonderful night. God bless you. Remember, Jesus is the way to heaven. Thanks for watching, guys.